I have reached Hingalaj Devi Temple. The reading of the odometer is showing 27,139 kilometers. I had got 0.98 liters of fuel filled on 25th of last month. Even the battery of this bike, Honda Shine, has been replaced about 6 months ago, but I don't want to take chances for that. I have to believe in various religions and reach different kind of places of worships so that my battery of bike or car gets charged occasionally. Since I am living in an isolated town away from my home city, New Delhi, I don't have any contacts and I don't have any offline business tour or visits, due to which, in any probable causes, I may require my vehicle, and for that, I have to keep that in good condition. And most importantly, the battery of the self ignition should be ready to visit any place during emergency or requirement of any grocery object or utility like soap, conditioner, shampoo, or even hair cutting visit. The door of the temple has been opened by me only. About few months ago, I visited here during Navratri. It is known as Hingalaj Devi Temple. Hanuman Temple and Shiv Temple is also existing in the same premises. Another Saturn temple is also there. You can see auspicious mantras are mentioned and printed at various places. I am not an atheist, but then I have lost all hope in the heavenly atom and goddesses or God. Only a regular schedule is being followed from somewhere. After the mining activity here, the river has been shifted more closer to the main road. You can see this is the same place where I used to fly drone. I have brought my bicycle light with me. A milestone has been constructed here for unknown reasons. I am not sure what will be the utilization of this concrete pillar. After witnessing a lot of deforestation here also, you can see I am pointing towards the fallen trees. I halted for a few minutes. A lot of dance activities are going on beside the bar. I had parked my bike there after witnessing a lot of dance activities and alcoholic people creating nuisance around the Thapa fast food corner. I decided to accompany the helmet with me only. I have also pointed out the design of my helmet to you. A lot of DJI or other Alibaba DH Gate drones can be witnessed around these tourist places, which are developed recently after the deforestation. That is the only topic which I can discuss. Otherwise, you might have watched all the news and summaries of year-long events. In 3 months, you will celebrate New Year 2082 Vikram Samvat, which is the real only transformation from 365 lunar days, and it is the only scientific authentication and verified New Year. You can see the color of the river. It has been intentionally shifted to this place to promote a kind of feel-good factor and more tourism around this alcohol junction, so that more and more bribe can be collected by Mass hysteria of numerology, parallelism with Vaishno goddess or Durga through 12 hours sleep, 8 hours enjoyment, and 4 hour food through interest money and black money. After traveling 8.9 into 2 kilometers towards a cathedral, CNI church, and 8 kilometers today, I will park this bike at home so that battery can be preserved and enough fuel will be there also. So it's 6:35 p.m. So living in this city is very tedious or not. That is not any topic of discussion, but these kind of activities are intentionally being promoted to polluted regions. That hectic schedule is being followed by these people who are witnessing deterioration of environment, and villager life is being preserved by them even during the downfall of economic throughout the country. They are always willing to help the nation through development of different kind of products, and during distress and anxiety they have to consume alcohol also, because ultimately they are governing on you and all the taxes and other kind of accounts which are really required for irrigation, agriculture, mining, pond development, river cleaning is required, and timely action is being taken by them all throughout the night and day. They used to continuously work, and ultimately they are suffering also. So I have changed my plan to cook omelette. Right now I have decided to prepare egg bhurji. I will heat the bread on this tawa. After that I will prepare some tea also. Thanks a lot for joining my broadcast. Please share my video and comment anything specific you want to express your views or opinion about my YouTube channel, also known as youtube.com/@the rate of civic era, youtube.com/gaganmako, and of course youtube.electronic era, which was a showroom in a residential area of New Delhi till we used to reside there. That was not treated a commercial area, but when we were forcibly migrated to this city, then our company's GPay was kept here on a weighing balance. I was talking about user IDs. Now you can change your Gmail user IDs also, but for achieving that feature, I don't know the exact requirements, but I tried to change one of the email user ID, but that feature was not activated till now in India. So most of the countries across the world have celebrated the arrival of New Year through laser lights and drone sky designs. All the Indian web designing clients can pay using this QR code also, even if PayPal and Venmo collaboration will take time. In the meantime, WhatsApp and other UPI IDs are not the only method through which they can pay for recurring charges for domain hosting, and even I will try to point the QR scanner from here when I will upload this video in few minutes. Thanks a lot. The GPay QR code study has been shifted to the bedroom come office. It's 7 8:44 p.m.